Dear students, moving on to the further, now we shall see subject as well as in general certain question answers which are to be learnt. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Our Indian Constitution is written by whom? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Ambedkar, Ambedkar. Who was the first woman president of India? Pratibha Patil. Pratibhapatil. Pratibha Patil. Next. Which is the national animal of India? Tiger. 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 Next. Which is the national bird of India? Which is the national bird? Indian peacock. 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 Next question. Which is the national flower of India? Which is the national flower? Rose, lily, sunflower. We have many flowers. Among that, lotus is considered as the national flower of India. Next, sixth one. Which is the national anthem of India and who has wrote it? Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem and it is written by whom? Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Rabindranath and Tagore Tagore Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore has written our national anthem. Next, till now we saw 6 question answers. Moving further, which is the national song of India? Vande Mataram, Vande, Vande, Mataram, Mataram is written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee has written our national song of India. Janagana Mana is the national anthem and this is the national song which you are going to sing on the national holidays of which we celebrate in India. Bankimchandra Chatterjee. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Next question. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Jawaharlalnehru. Jawaharlal Nehru. So some of the questions are interesting, right? So these are all one word question answer which is easy for you to remember. So dear students, please write it down for twice and learn the spellings carefully and understand it. Understood? What is the capital city of India? Capital city. Which is the capital city? New Delhi. Next question. Which state is also known as the fruit bowl of India? Fruit bowl of India is called to the which state? Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is the state which is also known as fruit bowl. Why it is said as fruit bowl, I will tell in the live class. Next, who discovered India? Who discovered our country India? There is a place called India. Vasco da Gama. Vascodagama. Vasco da Gama has discovered our India. And 12th one. Who is popularly known as the Iron Man of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is popularly known as the Iron Man of India. Sardar, Sardar, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Vallabhbhai Patel, Vallabhbhai Patel. Who is the current president of India? Right now, who is having the post of president? Ramnath Kovind. Ramnath Kovind. Ramnath Kovind is the current president of India. Next question. What would be the next question? Let me see. So, which place in India is also known as the land of rising sun? This question is, or you are familiar with this question, land of rising sun. First sunrise appears in India is Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Arunachal Pradesh. Pradesh Arunachal Pradesh is the state in which the sun is going to rise first. Interesting, right? Only the questions are big or huge, but answer is only one word. So you can learn easily. So shall we move on to the next question? So dear students, listen the video. These are the general questions, general common questions which you need to study. Name the tallest building in the world. Which is the tallest building or the big building in the world? Burj Khalifa in UAE. It is located in UAE. Burj Khalifa. It is the tallest building compared to other building in the world. Next question. Which is the highest mountain peak in the world? Mountain peak in the world. Mount Everest, which is in India. Indian Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world. Mount Mount Everest. Everest Mount Everest. Now coming to the last part, which is the world's longest railway platform? Huge or the biggest platform? If I ask, you need to tell Gorakhpur. Spelling Gorakhpur, Gorakhpur, which is there in Uttar Pradesh state of Indian country. In our country, in the state of Uttar Pradesh, a place called Gorakhpur is the world's biggest or the longest railway platform. Next, last question, and we'll end up this session. So, which is the smallest continent in the world? It's very easiest question. Australia. 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 So, dear students, by having this session, I hope you people might be quite interested in learning all these questions. Some are familiar to you, some are not familiar. Even then, study well, do well, keep smiling, be safe and be healthy. Thank you.